Today we're going to go over the dangers and negative effects of aggressively cutting the limbs back on one side of a tree. Let's get started. Removing all limbs from one side of a tree can have several detrimental effects on the tree's health and stability. Here's a breakdown. 1. Imbalance. Cutting all limbs on one side will lead to an imbalanced canopy. This can cause the tree to lean or even topple over in extreme cases, especially during storms or strong winds. The asymmetrical growth can also cause stress on the tree's structure, making it more susceptible to breaking or other damage. 2. Health and disease. Excessive pruning can expose the tree to diseases and pests. The fresh cuts are entry points for pathogens, and the tree may have a hard time combating these due to the stress caused by the severe pruning. In addition, the tree will have less foliage to produce energy through photosynthesis, which may weaken the tree over time. 3. Sun scald and frost cracks. The exposed side of the tree may suffer from sun scald during the summer or frost cracks during the winter. Both of these conditions can cause further damage to the tree. 4. Nutrient deficiency. Trees require a substantial amount of foliage to create nutrients through photosynthesis. A severe reduction in foliage can lead to a nutrient deficiency, weakening the tree further. 5. Stress. Trees can experience stress, much like other organisms. Extreme pruning can induce a state of stress that may take years to overcome, if it ever does. Under stress, trees are less resilient to other adverse conditions like drought, pests, or diseases. 6. Growth issues. The severe loss of foliage can lead to a surge of sucker growth or water sprouts which are weakly attached and grow quickly, often in undesirable locations on the tree. 7. Aesthetic appeal. An imbalanced tree is often less aesthetically pleasing. It can also decrease property values if the tree is in a noticeable location. 8. Recovery time. It can take several years for a tree to recover from such severe pruning, during which time it will be more susceptible to further problems. 9. Regulatory or legal consequences. In some areas, improper pruning or removal of trees can result in fines or other penalties from local or municipal authorities. 10. Cost. If the tree becomes hazardous or dies as a result of severe pruning, the cost of removal can be substantial. Each tree species and individual tree may react differently to such severe pruning, so it's always a good idea to consult with a certified arborist before undertaking major pruning operations. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.